Just looking out at my feeder, and I thought, wow, people think they have problems. Look at these birds. They're foraging for sunflower seeds. And at the same time, they're trying to get cover in the bird feeder. So you can see the little rascals in there trying to get some cover inside the feeder. But meanwhile, you also see the snow is going sideways and they can hardly fly. So people think you got trouble. Just imagine you're this bird out there. And the bird feeder was sideways. The wind was blowing so hard. So it's like a snowstorm with hurricane winds. And it was so bad, the bird feeder was blowing up sideways. It slowed down now though. And the poor birds were literally soaring like seagulls trying to get into the feeder to get something to eat. I'll go out there later and put some more sunflower seeds for them. I can see it blew most of them out. Little rascals. That's a snowbird. Didn't care nothing about the weather. So I can show you the feeder again. Making it into the feeder, even making it up onto the other deck. Yep, you thought life was tough. Imagine being that bird. And we as humans do a lot of complaining, but guess what? You wouldn't survive that unless you're a bird, I guess. See how hard the wind is actually blowing the feeder sideways. It was up in the air sideways. Oh, there it goes. And they were catching a ride and trying to eat while the thing is riding. Amazing. Take a look at nature sometime. You'll learn stuff.